In this video, I will show you how to create realistic AI image on your smartphone using an AI website. Go to your browser and search for bing.com. Change your browser to desktop site. Zoom in and click on Images. Zoom in and click on Create. Write what you want to create in the box. The prompt used will be available in the description. You can edit it to what you want. The click on Create and your image will be generated, but if you don't have account with Microsoft Bing, you will be asked to register. Just follow the prompt and make sure your browser is in desktop site when you are signing up. Wait while your image is generating. This is what you will get. Click on the image to view and download. Click on the menu icon to download, but if you're using desktop site, you will see download button. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe.